When we were studying the sample as a whole, we found that the relationship between self-esteem and desire for Instagram likes for each individual follows the original hypothesis. The line of best fit and correlation coefficient of -0.034 display a weak negative linear relationship between the two variables of interest. It shows that the higher the self-esteem, the less desire the individual had to receive likes, which approves the original hypothesis. Then, we decided to divide our sample into groups to see if we could find a correlation between the variables. First, we divided our sample between gender. We studied how men and female reacted differently with self-esteem and Instagram use. Our conclusion is that for women, there's a strong negative correlation of -0.58 between Instagram use and self-esteem, while for men, there is no such correlation, since both self-esteem and Instagram use increase simultaneously. Therefore, by dividing our sample by gender, we only found a correlation among our variables in the female group. Then, we divided our sample between age groups. We studied and compared the average score for Instagram use and self-esteem within the different age groups. When grouping our sample into 4 different categories, 18 or under, 19, 20, 21 or over, we saw a correlation between Instagram use and self-esteem. The group with the highest self-esteem, 21 or over, ranked also lowest on Instagram use. Moreover, the age group 19 ranked highest on Instagram use and lowest on self-esteem, meaning that the group with the highest Instagram use was also the one with the lowest self-esteem scores. Clearly, there is a strong correlation between our two variables when splitting our sample into different age groups. Instagram has a strong effect on self-esteem for the age group 19. Last but not least, we compared Instagram activeness and self-esteem, hoping to find a relationship between how often our sample uses Instagram and their self-esteem. But making a correlation between these groups was not possible.